Hey there, my name is Amethyst at WTI, and I have a product that I do highly recommend. This is the Infallible Liquid Matte Lipstick. I have been using this product for such a very long time. It is one of my go-to liquid lipsticks for a variety of reasons. One is the pigmentation. It takes one application, as you can see, and the pigment is chef's kiss. I love it. The longevity, it does last all day long. I have worn this for a full day of eating and drinking and only have had to touch it up once. So I love that. I love that it takes a little bit of time to dry down, which sometimes can be a negative, but for this product, I personally like having a liquid lipstick where I can make a mistake and very quickly fix it because it's not going to dry up immediately. So if you apply it and it's out of the lines or you need to touch it up a bit, you have a little bit of time to do that before it dries down. But once it dries down, like I said, it lasts all day long, but also it is transfer proof. So you don't have to worry about getting liquid lipstick on all of your cups, or you can kiss your partner without worrying about transfers. And I just love that it lasts all day long. The pigmentation is great. It dries up so well. The formula itself feels really nice on the lips. I can definitely tell that there is a liquid lipstick there, but it is not tacky. It doesn't feel like it's drying my lips out. It just feels nice and it's just there, but it's not gross or bothersome. So I do love this product very much. I highly recommend it if you are also looking for a good pigmented and beautiful liquid lipstick. This color specifically is in Plum Bum, and it is just the most beautiful purpley mauve color. So yeah, highly recommend this, and that is my point of view.